Hello, this is Miss Anderson, and this is how to process your files for the AP 2D Design portfolio using Lightroom. So if you want to use Lightroom to take all your beautiful high resolution images to make them web ready to upload to the AP 2D Design portfolio, what you're going to do is you're going to come into the folder you've already created for whether it's your sustained investigation or your diversity, your breadth, and you take and you hold down shift to select all of the photos in your album. In this demo one I only have 2, but you'll have 12. And then you go to File, Export. So since I've already done this, everything is kind of coming up automatically what I did last time. But it might come up like this. We have all these options, okay? And the big one that we're going to look at here is image sizing and export location and file naming. That's what we want for this. Because you want to know where your files are going, you kind of want to control that. I'm going to send them to my desktop right now because they're going to be a working copy. And I'll just go ahead and give it a different name. And I'm going to call it Web Ready. And that's really to designate that these are files that are going to be uploaded to the web. Portfolio, and then I probably put my name so we know it's me, and that's the subfolder that you're going to put it in. Rename, again, I'm going to put the word web, and then I just put the first 4 letters of my last name. If you want to do like investigate, you can. If it's for your sustained investigation, it's up to you. So that again is to designate that it's web ready, but you can give it whatever creative name you want. That's so that you know it's the smaller file size. You don't ever want to print these. So then in image sizing, we come here, we click resize to fit. Right here it says long edge. So long edge means, see how these are, one's a portrait, one's a landscape. It's going to take the longest edge and resize it to 9 inches first, and then make the corresponding edge will be the smaller size. Because if we come in here, we have like a landscape orientation and a portrait orientation. What I just did is I chose 9 because it's kind of an average of the different sizes of whether it's square, landscape, portrait. 9 or 8 or even 7 are good by the inches. So you could also do, so let's do this one 8, and our file size will be a little smaller. We can keep the resolution at 240 because I'm not seeing anything about file size. And then I just hit export. We see up here it's exporting. Here it is where I told it to go on my desktop. Now when I'm uploading these, I know which ones they are. So web investigate. So I know that I'm going to navigate to this folder and pull directly out of it to upload to the AP2D Design portfolio.